Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my Easter chick shadow box. How adorable is that little chick there? He or she is in the little nest. There's flowers all around. Just a really happy springtime and Easter project. It comes together really easily, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, your shadow box if you're using this project with a shadow box, foam squares if you want to add some dimension between the layers, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can either purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in all 12 event files, video tutorials, printable worksheets, commercial licensing, and a bonus bundle of 12 more Easter cut files, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass using the link in the video description. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using, which is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project as a card or in a different shadow box for whatever purpose, and you need to resize the design, you can do that up here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, so I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide that will help visualize how to layer these together, but from back to front, you're going to start with white, then the purple, orange, yellow, pink, cream, brown, blue, and then green. You can add foam squares to each one of these layers if you want. I think what I would definitely add foam squares, if I were going to be doing that, would be behind the purple layer and then the green layer. Everything else kind of stacks together to make the little scene. I'm just going to layer everything inside the shadow box, so I'll go ahead and grab that right now. I've already gone ahead and added the little pins that are included with this shadow box that will help push everything forward. I'm going to set this to the side for just a minute. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer the design. Alright, and now I'll close up the shadow box. And there we go. How cute is that little shadow box? That little chick is so happy. So cute. Wasn't this really fun to put together? I could totally see this on a card, as a square card or as an easel card, a layered paper craft. It'd be really fun for Easter, and I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.